If you want to know how to edit a presentation in Gamma app quickly and easily, this video is going to walk you through the full process step by step. Gamma makes it simple to build and update presentations, but if you're new to the platform, you may be wondering exactly where to click, how to change text, and how to update images or layout without messing anything up. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to open your presentation, make edits to your cards, adjust the design, and save your changes with confidence. And if you find this helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to gamma.app, then sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard, where all of your presentations are stored. From here, locate the presentation you want to edit and click on it to open it. This will bring you into the Gamma editor, where each slide or section is shown as a card. Now, the editing process is very straightforward. To change text, simply click on any text area you want to update. Once the cursor appears, type your new text directly into the card. You do not need to open a separate text box or go into a complicated menu because Gamma is designed to let you edit content directly on the page. This makes it very fast if you just need to fix wording, update a title, or replace a few sentences. If you want to edit an image or another block element, click on that image or block. Gamma will show you editing options so you can replace it, adjust it, or swap it out for something new. Depending on the block, you may also see tools for cropping, resizing, or changing how it fits into the card. If you're working on the overall look of the presentation, use the toolbar or the side options to adjust the layout and design. This is where you can refine the structure, change the visual style, and make the presentation feel more polished and professional. You can experiment with different settings until the card looks exactly how you want it. Gamma gives you flexibility without making the process difficult, so you can focus more on the content and less on the formatting. As you edit, your changes update automatically, which means you can keep moving through the presentation without worrying about constantly saving every tiny adjustment. When you're finished making changes to a card, simply click outside the card to confirm your edits. This helps Gamma register the update and return you to the main editing view. Then you can move on to the next card and continue editing the rest of your presentation the same way. If you want to make multiple updates, just repeat the process card by card until everything is complete. A good tip is to review your presentation once you're done so you can check the spacing, text flow, image placement, and overall design. That way, your final presentation looks clean, consistent, and ready to share. Gamma is especially useful because it lets you edit presentations in a very modern and intuitive way, without needing advanced design skills. So whether you're updating a pitch deck, a class presentation, a business report, or a personal project, the process stays simple and easy to learn. And that's it. Your Gamma presentation will update as you edit the cards. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.